Hey guys, are you wanting to buy best smart mirror for your smart bedroom? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best smart mirror for your smart bedroom that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Fenchulin Smart Mirror. If you're looking for a great makeup mirror, you should never forget about a smart mirror. Nothing would be better than a Hollywood-style vanity mirror that helps you to take a peek into your skin. The Fenchulin mirror could be a great choice that can help you to lead a happy life. This makeup mirror is incorporated with 9 LED light bulbs so that you find it easier to get your makeup done. This smart mirror also provides you the opportunity to make settings for the light and warm light, adjust the brightness, and provide bright reflection so that you can make the best makeup application. The Smart Touch Control is another great feature that lets you adjust brightness by touching the screen. It also has a memory function, so the LED would return back with the same brightness after switching on. The superior quality gorgeous reflective mirror is made with high-quality material. This high-quality smart mirror comes with 50,000 hours of longevity. The frame size is 9.84 x 11.81, which is large enough to get a proper view. The 360° rotation helps you to fix a viewing angle according to your requirements. The 3 different colors that can be changed with touch control let you accomplish a flawless look. Now our second product is Alltech Smart Mirror. If you're looking for one such high-quality LED mirror, the Alltech Smart LED Mirror can be a great choice. It helps you to enjoy a hands-free experience by controlling this mirror using your voice assistants like Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. The mirror has multiple functions that are controlled separately. It has different switches for changing the temperature of the color, power switch, brightness switch, anti-fog switch, and much more. You can easily switch the on and off buttons to control according to your requirements and save energy. The anti-fog is especially given to get a clear reflection of your image. It is a super slim mirror that has a depth of only 1.4 inches. It is also included with the memory function, so the smart mirror will be able to come back to the previous settings after you turn it on. You can simply switch it on, and it will get back to the same setting that you like for applying makeup. It has a copper-free and lead-free design, making it an environmentally friendly choice. It has a sturdy build with silver metal. The product has met the safety standard and is certified with that L certification. Our third product is EW Smart Mirror. If you are in search of a compact smart mirror that you can easily move anywhere, the EW Lighted Makeup Mirror can be a great addition. It is included with lights that have dim, natural daylight so that you can adjust according to your requirement. It is touch activated for choosing the brightness according to your ambience. The 360° swivel of this makeup mirror helps you to flip it conveniently and access it. It has 1x and 10x magnification so that you will be able to do your makeup in the best possible manner. The double-sided mirror has been equipped with distortion-free ultra-reflective optical glass. The magnification provides you the opportunity to get even a detailed view. You can do it regardless of the type of use you want to make with it. You don't have to replace the batteries as it works just by charging them. Once you have fully charged a mirror, it can last for almost 17 hours. It is a portable and cordless mirror that is highly convenient to travel with. The modern and sophisticated style with a wide-angle view makes it a great choice for all makeup enthusiasts. Besides keeping in mind the chances of slipping, it has a non-slip base with a soft rubber pad to keep it steady. Now number 4, Beautilux Smart Mirror. Oxidation treatment made on the aluminum alloy frame makes it reliable, safe, and durable. The DC12V gives a constant power supply and has an efficiency of over 86%. This high-quality and sophisticated-looking mirror can be used in your bathroom or bedroom or in your makeup room to improve its look. It is a full touch control mirror that has soft and uniform light. The color temperature can be switched between 6000 K daylight and 3000 K warm light. When you keep holding the button for a long time, it will be able to adjust the intensity of the light from 10% to 100%. You can choose according to your visual requirement. Besides, it will not experience any UV or flicker. This high-quality full touch control mirror also has anti-fog functionality. All you need is to touch the switch so that it automatically enters its state to keep a clear reflection. Besides, I-54 waterproof certification makes it a good choice for a bathroom. The mirror has a proper cover on its back to prevent falling and chipping. And our last choice is LTMIRROR Smart Mirror. If you're looking for a rounded structure bathroom mirror, then the LTMIRROR Round Bathroom Mirror can be an ideal choice. It has an integrated ABS sheet on the back of this mirror, which is sturdy and makes this LED mirror look ultra-thin and extremely lightweight. It has an I54 waterproof rating, making this mirror a great choice for wet environments. It comes with a wall switch for controlling the light along with the defogger. So with one control, you will be able to get two different options. Incorporated with the memory function helps you to get back the same light adjustment after switching it on. So, every time you don't have to make temperature and brightness adjustments, you can press the button for a short time to turn on this LED light. It will also lead to a change in the color temperature from daylight to warm and white. When you long press the button, it will either dim or get bright enough to meet the desirable brightness that you need. Its brightness can be adjusted from 10% to 100%. The ring-shaped LED front light is clearer, brighter, and more realistic compared to a circled bathroom mirror. You will be able to find yourself in exact reflection. It can be a great choice for makeup application, skincare, and proper grooming. With high-quality material, you don't have to worry as the mirror has a lifespan of 6 to 8 years. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.